Hi all, welcome back to Nart Studio. Today we will see an art called boho art. I'm just going to try this art on a bottle. I have covered one layer of white paint, acrylic paint on top of it. I'm just going to give another coat. Let the bottle dry. I'll show you the paper. See, this is what I've painted already. I'll show you how I did this. Using compass, I'm just putting 4 lines. Hope you can see it. It should not be a circle. You have to just give a straight lines on the end like this. Next I'll show you the colors: white, brown and terracotta red. You can also use skin color fabric, acrylic color also in this. Usually they use white, yellow, white and burnt sienna. I'm just using these two colors to give a little bit different combo. I've shown you how I mix the colors. Now I'm just going to start with the light color first, and then next a dark, next a different combination, and then again a light color. This is the closer view. This is the dried one. I'm just going to give 2 leaves using marker pen. You can also paint it. This is how I've completed the paper. I'm just going to transfer the same color combinations on the bottle. You can use compass to draw, or you can draw it in freehand like this. Hope you can see the difference. I'm just going to start with the bottom and then go up. In paper I used to do from top to bottom, as in I'm just going to cover the one side of the bottle. I'm just going from bottom to top. These are the 4 colors. Can you see? This is the dried one. I'm just going to give the leaves using the black paint. I'm not using markers over here. If you want, you can use markers as well. I'm just going to give it a connecting part, like a curved shaped leaf branches. Okay, I'll show you. I'm just going to connect the branch like this. Can you see? I'm done with one side. I'll do another side also. This is dried one side and the next side. You can give leaves on this area also. If at all you need some kind of connectivity, you can just give it on that side also. This is the paper art which I've transferred to a bottle. This art is very easy to do. You have lots of designs on the internet. You can just try all those designs. This art is called as boho art or minimalist art or botanical art. You can search it in any of this name. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.